Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn the preparation methods of soya milk and soya paneer. So let's see first with the preparation of soya milk. Soya milk is high in protein as well. It is low in fat as well as carbohydrate. It contains no cholesterol. It is used excellent food used for babies, children, elderly people and pregnant women. Since it contains high vegetable protein which is very nutritious and easy to digest. So beside being high in nutritional value, this milk is best for diabetes people. And it is also known or said that it is a valuable gift of Mother Nature to human beings. So let's start with processing method. First, the soya bean was sorted and cleaned by removing the stones, small particles, dirt or any unwanted material present in that seeds to clean and have a clean uncontaminated soya milk. Then after cleaning, dry soya beans are washed and soaked in water for about 12 hours. After sorting and removing of unwanted material, they are being washed and soaked in water for about 12 hours. After that, they rinsed and blanched in 1.2% of NaHCO3 solution for 30 minutes. After washing, then they use वॉशिंग झाल्यानंतर ते रिन्स्ड करतात, याने धुतात परत आणि त्याला ट्रीट करतात, ब्लँचिंग ट्रीटमेंट देतात. कशामध्ये तर NaHCO3 सोबत फॉर अबाउट 30 minutes. The rehydrated soybean was then after blanching process, that soybeans are washed again and the outer covering is removed. Again they are washed. Then the seeds were ground in blender and expressed in ratio of 3:1. ते मिक्सरमध्ये मिक्स केले जातात फॉर दी रेशो 3:1. 3% हे 3 पार्ट हा असला पाहिजे वॉटरचा आणि 1 बीन्सचा. म्हणजे जर एक बीन्सचा तुम्ही 1 कप घेतला तर 3 कप्स हे वॉटरचे असले पाहिजे. ह्या रेशोमध्ये त्याला ग्रीन केलं जातं. ओके, टू रिमूव्ह ओकेरा. ओकेरा इज नथिंग बट अ सोया पल्प. ओके, इट रिमेन्ड आफ्टर pured soybean after filtration in the production of soya milk. फिल्ट्रेशन झाल्यानंतर यू कॅन सी हियर, फिल्ट्रेशन झाल्यानंतर जो पल्प उरतो त्याला ओकारा बोलतात. ओके, आणि हा ओकारा आहे तो ड्राईड केला जातो, त्याचं मिलिंग प्रोसेस होते आणि ते पावडर फॉर्ममध्ये भेटतं आणि दॅट इज ऑल्सो अ न्यूट्रिशियस वन टू अस. देन ग्रिंडिंग. Then we are this after grinding, this okara is formed which is separated and the milk is taken into another vessel. Then here pasteurization takes place for 98 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes or 71 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. Okay, then after this filtration takes place. As I told, in filtration what happens, that unwanted microbes or unwanted pathogens, to kill them, this filtration process is there. So after filtration, for making soybean, again heating is done for about 71 degrees Celsius to 15 seconds and then stored in a bottle and at refrigerator temperature, and we found a soya milk. Okay, the process of soybean is nothing but first cleaning and sorting of soybeans, washing. After washing, blanching is done here at 1.25% solution of NaHCO3 for about 30 minutes. Then again it is washed to remove that solution's residues and dehulled the outer covering of that soybean. and then they are greened in the ratio of 3:1, that is water to beans. To remove the okara, म्हणजे okara सेपरेट जो आहे त्याचं okara is nothing but the pulp produced after the filtration. Okay, then heat treatment is given at the temperature 71 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, and then a pure milk is it is filled in bottle and stored at ambient room refrigerating temperature. Okay, you can see here also, you can use this chart also and this also. Both the flow sheets are same, only the here I want to show the fresh okara processing, so I have shown this chart also of preparation method of soybean milk. Okay, then moving ahead with preparation of soya paneer. Soya paneer is one of the most popular soya product and is prepared by coagulating soya milk. Soya paneer has been reported as a low calorific food and is a rich source of iron, calcium and low in saturated fat, and also a source of isoflavones which can minimize human estrogens and can have beneficial effect to human health. सोया पनीर हा सोया मिल्कच्या कोॲग्युलेशन पासून बनवला जातो अँड इट इज रिपोर्टेड दॅट त्याची जी कॅलरीफिक व्हॅल्यू आहे ती कॅलरी आपल्याला जी भेटणार आहे ती लो आहे आणि रिच सोर्स आहे तर आयर्न, कॅल्शियम आणि सॅच्युरेटेड फॅट हे सुद्धा लो आहे आणि ह्याचा जो इफेक्ट आहे हा बेनिफिशियल आहे कोणाला तर ह्यूमन हेल्थसाठी. तो प्रिपरेशन प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट, a solution of 1.5% of citric acid was used to coagulate the milk. Means after the process from sorting, grading to soya milk, next this fresh soya milk is coagulated with 1.5% of citric acid. Soya milk samples were heated to coagulation temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. They are heated to a temperature of about 80 degrees Celsius. The coagulation was added into soya milk slowly with gentle and continuous stirring. Continuous stirring so that ते खाली त्याच्या लागता कामा नाही करप्ट टाइप्समध्ये. सो कंटिन्युअस स्टरिंग होते त्याच्यामुळे लम्स फॉर्मेशन सुद्धा होत नाही. आफ्टर कम्प्लिटिंग कोॲग्युलेशन स्टरिंग वॉज स्टॉप्ड अँड कंटेंट वेअर लेफ्ट अनडिस्टर्ब ॲट रूम टेम्परेचर फॉर अबाउट 30 minutes for 15 seconds. After this when acid addition is done and that we slowly for coagulation of milk we keep continuously on stirring. Then after completion of coagulation म्हणजे if that reaches a coagulation stage then we should stop stirring and leave them undisturbed at a room temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then the whey is removed by staining through a muslin cloth. एका मुस्लिन क्लोथ थ्रू त्याचा जो वे असतो तो आपण रिमूव्ह करतो आणि इथे मग आपल्याला काय सोया मिल्क कोॲग्युलंट सस्पेशियस भेटतात. इथे मेन आपल्याला त्याचं ॲक्च्युअल बेसिक पनीरचं कॅटेगरी असते म्हणजे आपल्याला पनीरची कन्सिस्टन्सी भेटते. दॅट इज हिअर वी गॉट आफ्टर leaving them undisturbed at room temperature of 30 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then this coagulum soya paneer obtained was pressed. ह्याच्यानंतर तो प्रेस्ड केला जातो आणि त्याचं जे आहे सोक तो काढून सोक केला जातो कशामध्ये तर कोल्ड वॉटरमध्ये फॉर 13 minutes. 13 मिनिट्ससाठी तो कोल्ड वॉटरमध्ये त्याची स्ट्रक्चर यायला ठेवला जातो. नंतर काय होतं की इट इज टेकन आउट अँड फ्री वॉटर ऑन द सरफेस वॉज रिमूव्ड बाय रॅपिंग पनीर ब्लॉक्स ऑन अ क्लीन मुस्लिन क्लोथ. आणि जो आपल्याला आफ्टर कूलिंग अ स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर आणि त्याच्या स्पेसिफिक कन्सिस्टन्सीमध्ये आल्याने आपण तो काय करतो, व्रॅप करतो. कशामध्ये तर पनीर ब्लॉक्समध्ये, पनीरचे जे शेप मोल्ड्समध्ये. ओके, थ्रू क्लीन मुस्लिन क्लोथ. आणि त्याच्यानंतर काय होतं, आपल्याला व्रॅपिंग झाल्यानंतर परत प्रेसिंग होते आणि आपल्याला सोया पनीर भेटतो. ओके, दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सोया पनीर. फर्स्ट वॉट फॉर द कोॲग्युलेशन ऑफ सोया मिल्क we are adding 1.5% of citric acid. Then we are heating at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. It may be 80 to 82 degrees Celsius. Then the coagulant was added into soya milk slowly with stirring continuously in order to avoid the lumps and stickiness. Then they were left undisturbed at room temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and then the whey is removed by staining through muslin cloth. After that, the coagulation which we get, that is these suspicious particles, what the consistency ahe, then what we do, that we stain them through a muslin cloth. After that removing, they are again soaked in water. They are again soaked in cold water for about 30 minutes. Later, they are removed and wrapped in a paneer molds on a clean muslin cloth. Then the method is adapted to preparation of paneer soya from soybean. Okay, this is in general process of soya paneer. So that's it. Thank you.